This week marks a significant moment in global diplomacy as PM Modi embarks on a two-nation tour beginning with the United Kingdom. The visit carries great importance, especially as India and the UK are expected to sign a historic free trade agreement, that is an FTA, which is a deal that could reshape trade ties between the two countries for years to come. This is PM Modi's fourth visit to the UK, and it comes at a time when India-UK relations are stronger than ever before. So what's on the agenda, what's at stake, and why does this visit matter to both nations? Well, let's break it down one by one. First of all, what's on agenda? PM Modi's visit to the UK is packed with diplomacy, trade deals and high-level meetings. Here is what is expected. Signing of the India-UK Free Trade Agreement, meetings with UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer, a royal audience with King Charles III, discussions on key global and regional issues, interactions with business leaders, talks on issues like the Khalistan threat and fugitive extradition. One of the biggest highlights of PM Modi's visit is the signing of the FTA between India and the UK. The agreement has been in the works since January 2022 and talks officially concluded on May 6, 2025. Let's have a look at key features of this FTA. For India, after signing the FTA, almost 99% of Indian exports to the UK will become duty-free. Key sectors that will benefit include textiles, leather, gems and jewellery and auto parts. Whereas for the UK, India will reduce tariffs on 90% of British goods, and major beneficiaries include medical devices and alcoholic beverages. According to UK estimates, the FTA could boost bilateral trade by £25.5 billion annually by 2040. While PM Modi called the agreement ambitious and mutually beneficial, the UK sees it as their biggest bilateral trade deal ever. Further, while trade is the main focus, some sensitive issues are also expected to be discussed, including Khalistan extremism. Meanwhile, India is also pushing for the extradition of several individuals wanted for financial crimes. This includes Lalit Modi, Nirav Modi and Vijay Mallya. Therefore, PM Modi's visit isn't just about handshakes and photo ops. It's about forging stronger economic ties, boosting mutual security and addressing long-standing diplomatic issues.